you rightfully indicated, the COVID situation has improved considerably. Active cases have reduced by about 60%, down to about 480 cases, and hospitalizations and deaths have also reduced significantly. As of today, there are 21 persons hospitalized, and I'm told that most of the individuals who are literally at the hospital, they're waiting for a second PCR negative COVID test in order to return home. But unfortunately, we still have 3 individuals who are critically ill, and we continue to pray for their recovery. The reduction in COVID cases due to the measures that were introduced a few weeks ago, including the expanded curfew. There's some who believe that the curfews do not work, but they do, because what the curfews achieve is that they help us to reduce the socializations within the society. And when you reduce socializations, you are able to reduce the transmission of the virus. So evidently, that period in which we expanded the curfews by literally closing traffic at about 8 o'clock, it worked. So I know people continue to second guess some of the measures, but they work. And every time we introduce them, they work. But I believe that the most effective measure was maybe work, as there are several of them. The most effective measures were the vaccine mandates, which resulted in a significant increase in vaccinations. Currently, we have 49,000 persons, and that is as of today, who are fully vaccinated. And that represents 50% of our total population. Or if you want to take the 80% into consideration, it is 63% of that targeted 80% that is required to achieve herd immunity. You notice from the chart today, just about 7,000 individuals who would have had their first vaccination. So overall, about 70% of the target population would have had at least a first vaccination. So we move in the right direction.